Igbo Igbo ekene unu. Welcome back to Igbo Online College. If you have not subscribed to this channel, abeg, what are you waiting for? Please do subscribe and share my videos. Okay, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about rhetoric questions in Igbo. There are some rhetoric questions. I want you to know that in learning a language, you learn bit by bit. So when you learn this, you pocket and you learn another. Make sure you use them more. All right, rhetoric question. Rhetoric questions are questions, of course, that do not necessarily demand answers. Okay. The first one, rhetoric questions. The first one is ana enyo eziokwu enyo. Eziokwu enyo. Ana enyo eziokwu enyo. A is an impersonal pronoun. It means anybody, somebody, someone, anyone. It could be. N'enyo, the verb, this is peep. Anenyo, do you peep at the truth? Truth, eziokwu, truth. Enyo, enyo is a noun a noun, peep. Do you peep truth? Peep, that is the structure of Igbo anyways. So it means, do you peep at the truth? No, you don't peep at the truth. You don't peep at the truth. That is the basic meaning. So anenyo eziokwu enyo. Okay, another one is anenye oke azụ ka odebe. Do you give fish to the rats to keep? That is the meaning of this one. Do you give fish to the rat to keep? Ana enye oke azụ ka o debe. Ana enye, do you give? Oke, rat, azụ, fish, ka o debe, to keep. Debe is keep. O is he or she or it. Let it keep. Let it keep. Ana-enye oke azụ ka o debe. Say it. Ana-enye oke azụ ka o debe. Good job. All right. Anyaga. We go to the next one. Ewu na ji ọ na-anọ? Ewu na ji. Ka m change. Ewu na ji anọ. Do yam and goat stay together? Do goat and yam stay together? Ewu, goat, na and ji, yam. Anọ. Ana. Stay together. Ana. These two go together, stay. Do goat and yam stay? That is, stay together. Ewu na ji ana-anọ. Ewu na ji ana-anọ. Can you say that? Ewu na ji ana-anọ. You can't keep yam and goat together. Do you get it? If you have a weakness for something, you can't keep bringing that to yourself. So it could, the ewu could refer to anything, the yam could refer to anything. Do you understand? It could just refer to anything you have weakness for. You can always be tempted to do that. Then most of the time when an Igbo person uses this, they are talking about male and female. If a man and a woman can stay without anything happening. Do you get it? Okay. Ewu na ji ana enye oke azụ ka odebe. This could also go when somebody likes something, and let me assume I love apple, and you're giving me apple. You're telling me this apple, oh, give this apple, oh. I can ask you, and enye oke azụ ka odebe. All right. That is it for today. Make sure you subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and share. I will see you in my next one. Kemesia.